Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing NCT Wish's Songbird, the letter version. So here it is. It has that spot that some envelopes have, and here's the back. Let's open it. We have this postcard. This is how it looks on the back, and on the front is Jaehee. Next are these two sheets. This is for a DIY letter. You can write your note, fold it up, and put it inside of this letter. Next is this sticker sheet. Lastly, we have this photo book. It comes with this CD. It says Songbird. And it comes with this photo card. You know who this is, right? I got Yusi. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.